Hello, in this video, I will show you about 10 most expensive smartphones in the world. Let's watch the video as following. High-end smartphones are not just exclusive and fashionable, but they also offer seamless services coupled with the best technology. After all, it's the hefty price tag that gives global giants like Apple access to luxurious design and technology that is too rare to put into ordinary smartphones, resulting in the iPhone 4S Elite Gold, $9.4 million per INR 77.5 crore, or a Falcon Supernova iPhone 6 Pink Diamond, $48.5 million per INR 400 crore approximate. And these unique handsets with smooth finishing, smart functionality and rare gemstone embeds make for some of the world's most expensive smartphones. According to a 2023 report by Statista, smartphone-generated revenue amounts to $41.73 billion, 344,441,000 Indian rupees crores, this year. Also, it can be anticipated that the market will grow annually by 7.32%, CAGR 2023 to 2027. Meanwhile, a late 2022 Canalys report stated that growth in the smartphone market is mostly seen in its premium sections, and the launch of Apple's iPhone 14, starting from $972.40 per INR 80,188, in Singapore and Thailand, with a solid demand for its Pro series, attests to the same. Focusing on exquisite features of cell phones has always been a manufacturer's way to grab any discerning tech lover's interest. While most phones may seem interchangeable except for a few software details, handsets such as the Diamond Crypto or the iPhone 5 Black Diamond, having fine pink, gold and black diamonds, have successfully been able to carve a niche for themselves in the luxury phone market. Here are 10 of the most expensive smartphones in the world. 1. Falcon Supernova iPhone 6 Pink Diamond. Price: $48.5 million, 400 Indian rupees crore approximate. Designed and distributed by US luxury brand Falcon, this custom iPhone 6 was first launched in 2014. Donning a simple design, the smartphone had a 24-karat gold exterior, which was also available in rose gold and platinum versions. The phone's highlight was the large pink diamond embedded in the center of its back panel, just beneath the Apple logo. This iPhone 6 model, which has been discontinued, remains one of the world's most expensive smartphones to be ever launched. Some of its prominent features included a 4.7-inch IPS LCD screen, a dual-core A8 processor, 1 GB RAM and up to 128 GB of storage. The smartphone also had a battery life of about 1,810 mAh. 2. iPhone 5 Black Diamond. Price: $12 million, 98 Indian rupees crores approximate. Made of 135-gram 24-karat gold, this smartphone owes its exorbitant price to the massive handmade chassis inlaid with 600 white diamonds and the Apple logo embedded with 53 diamonds. The phone also has sapphire glass set on the screen. In addition, a single, flawless black deep-cut diamond replaces the home button. Weighing 26 carats, the black diamond belonged to a Chinese businessman who later commissioned this phone from luxury product maker Stuart Hughes. 3. iPhone 4S Elite Gold. Price: $7.30 million, 60 Indian rupees crores approximate. This smartphone is a bling affair consisting of 500 dazzling diamonds, a 24-karat gold back and a 24-karat gold Apple logo made of 53 diamonds. Not to forget its uber-cool gold navigation button with an 8.6-karat diamond and another rare 7.4-karat single-cut, flawless pink diamond, which can be used as its replacement. This limited edition iPhone 4 also comes with a chest made from solid platinum that has polished original dinosaur bone embeds from the T-Rex, along with other unique stones such as opal, petersite, charoite and rutile quartz. The 64GB handset is a Stuart Hughes creation. 4. The Diamond Crypto. Price: $1.3 million, 10 Indian rupees crores approximate. The Diamond Crypto is a manifestation of elegance and quality in its entirety. With Peter Aloyson's bejeweling that employs 40 stunning diamonds and 10 blue diamonds, the phone comes with a Motorola MX21 processor and is fully encrypted. This Windows CE-based smartphone was developed by the Russian firm JSC Ancourt and is mostly meant for those who take security seriously. 5. Savelli Champagne Diamond. Price: $57,000, 47 Indian rupees lakhs approximate. This luxury smartphone, designed and marketed by the Geneva-based fashion brand Savelli, contains a proprietary operating system based on a Google Android platform. Its 18-karat rose gold shell with 395 white and cognac diamonds is one of the main reasons Savelli Champagne Diamond makes for one of the most expensive smartphones in the world. The gems and diamonds used are cut and embedded in metals using traditional handcrafting artisan techniques such as pave and snow settings. The device also comes with a scratch-proof glass set with exotic leather and curved sapphire. 6. The Sirin Solarin Crystal. Price: $14,000, 11 Indian rupees lakhs approximate. Launched in 2016 by Israeli startup Sirin Labs, this is one of the most expensive smartphones that offers users a unique blend of vibrancy and technology. The phone comes with military-grade encryption, runs on a 2 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 810 processor and has 24 bands of LTE. Its 4-color variations include fire black carbon leather with titanium, fire black carbon leather with yellow gold, crystal white carbon leather with diamond-like carbon and fire black carbon leather with diamond-like carbon. 7. Huawei Mate 20 RS Porsche Design. Price: $2,147 and 59 cents, 1.77 Indian rupees lakhs approximate. Out of all the Mate 20 phones from Huawei, the luxuriously designed Huawei Mate 20 RS Porsche design undoubtedly stands out. Its all-black look is sure to remind tech lovers of Gresso's iconic $1 million, 8 Indian rupees crores approximate, worth Luxor Las Vegas jackpot. Running on the Android version 9.0 Pie operating system that promises super-fast updates, the smartphone has a 4,200 mAh battery capacity, 8 GB RAM, a 6.39-inch, 16.23 cm screen and 256 GB of storage. Additionally, its octa-core, 2.6 GHz, dual-core, Cortex-A76 plus 1.92 GHz, dual-core, Cortex-A76 plus 1.8 GHz, quad-core, Cortex-A55, high-silicon Kirin 980 ensures a lag-free experience. 8. Oppo Find X Automobili Lamborghini Edition. Price: $1,845 and 6 cents, 1.52 Indian rupees lakhs approximate. This edition has a unique and classical touch to it. In addition, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor and 8 GB RAM make it one of the extremely high-performance smartphones. Other important features of the device include a bicell design which equals the energy of a 3,400 mAh battery, Super VOC flash charge, 6.42 inches panoramic arc screen with 19.5:9 panoramic view and a 93.8% screen ratio. One can also find customized accessories designed exclusively for the Oppo Find X Automobili Lamborghini Edition. They include free wireless Bluetooth headset, Super VOC charge head, classic bright yellow braided charging cable and a unique packaging box that resembles the Aventador Y design. 9. Virtu Aster P Gold and Black. Price: $1,583 and 14 cents, 1.30 Indian rupees lakhs approximate. Featuring a chic and stylish design, this is one of the best luxury phones for people who want to stand out from the crowd. From its royal black and gold color and 4.97-inch sapphire crystal display to its 8.1 Android operating system and 6 GB RAM, almost every aspect of the smartphone is crafted to match the taste of fashion and tech-forward users. Other prominent features of this Aster P model include a 20MP rear camera, a 12MP front camera and a resolution of 1080 by 1920 pixels. 10. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Price: from $1,454 $1.20 Indian rupees lakhs approximate. While being the costliest Samsung smartphone to be ever launched, this is also one of the most expensive mobile phones in the world. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 runs on Snapdragon 8 Plus, Gen 1 up to 3.2 GHz, processor and comes with a 4,400 mAh battery capacity and 12 GB RAM. Some of its other features include: resolution, rear 50MP wide, 12MP ultra-wide, 10MP Tele 3x. Optical zoom/30x space zoom front 4MP UDC, 10MP. Display, 7.6-inch QXGA Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X Infinity Flex Display 120Hz Adaptive Refresh Rate 6.2 HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X Infinity O Display 120Hz Adaptive Refresh Rate. Storage options: 256 GB 512 GB 1 TB. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.